My friends, don't tell me you have not yet subscribed to this channel. Do subscribe and press the bell icon because you are going to get 100% scientific information on all skincare procedures, laser procedures, cosmetology procedures, as well as trichology and weight loss procedures also. So, I am Dr. Anil Nirale, my friends. I am MS MCH plastic surgeon and I have got my own cosmetology training center. You are going to witness only science in our videos, okay, which will be presented to you in various aspects. Now, you are going to see today carbon face laser treatment, how it is done and when it should be done, what is the precaution you should take. I am going to show you a live demo. You will say that, sir, we have seen so many tens, thousands of carbon laser face treatment videos on internet, YouTube, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels. But my dear friends, your take home message from those videos will be zero. Why? Because the person who is showing you the procedure, he is showing himself or herself off on the internet. Here, my first preference is you should get the knowledge and all your doubts about carbon laser face treatment should be solved. So now be ready to witness the full-fledged carbon laser face treatment, how it is done, when it should be done, what are the side effects, what is the precaution to be taken after the procedure is done. So by now you must have subscribed to our channel and press the bell icon and be ready to watch this video till end. Not one time but 10 times you must watch this video. Okay. So let's go in the procedure room. Yes, my friends. Okay. Welcome, my friends. Today we are going to demonstrate carbon laser face treatment to you. Okay. Now you must have seen so many videos on carbon laser face treatment, especially on Instagram and on YouTube and on Facebook and Reels also. Okay. But in that you don't get the full scientific data. You do not get full idea as to how you should do it. Okay, because why, those particular videos which they are showing you, that is just to that particular person is showing himself or herself on either Facebook Reels or Insta Reels. Okay, and then you just keep on wondering what is happening. But here today I am going to tell you everything in detail and I will give the demo of the patient also, exactly how you can do carbon laser face treatment. Okay, there are various methods of doing it. Okay, I am not saying that what others are doing is wrong and what I am doing that is the perfect method. But according to patient, according to indication, according to environment, you have to keep on changing your procedure. But the principle is the same. And what is the principle of carbon laser face treatment? Main thing is the carbon energy is taken up by your epidermal layer and by the dermal layer of patient's skin, and that energy gets transferred into heat energy, and that heat energy will have a rejuvenating effect on patient's epidermis as well as patient dermis. That is called as photothermal effect. You must be knowing the three effects of the laser. Okay, so this is one of that, and that is the photothermal effect. I will show you this particular machine. Okay, so this is US FDA approved diode laser for skin rejuvenation and for triple pulse hair removal. And third thing is the pico shear. Okay, so today I will show you only about the pico shear. So when I press on the pico shear, I get three attachments: 1064 wavelength, 755 wavelength and 532 wavelength. For carbon laser face shear, we will be using only the 755 wavelength. Okay, and 755 wavelength handle also I will show you. I will show you how to take care of the handle while you are doing the procedure and what should be the post procedure advice. Okay, So stay tuned with our channel, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon. Okay, the name of our channel is Dan Skin Care Masala. Okay, so I welcome all of you to Dan Skin Care Masala, and in this you will get not only scientific information but information which will be useful to you in your day-to-day life. Okay, so stay tuned till the end, and in the comment box ask your queries, whatever queries you want to ask, I will answer them. Okay, so let's begin our journey of learning carbon laser face treatment. Okay, see you. So we will be doing carbon laser facial, carbon laser face rejuvenation. Okay, for multiple depressed scars and for hyperpigmentation as well as for rejuvenation. The first thing is we will apply the carbon paste. Okay. Now here you should apply carbon paste fully, especially on those areas where you want maximum results. Okay. And whenever you are applying carbon paste, you have to see to it that all the depressed scars are filled with carbon paste. Otherwise, if you apply carbon paste very superficially, then there will be no advantage and results will not be seen. So it should not be very superficial. At the same time, it should not be very thick layer. Many people are applying very thick layer, okay, but that thick layer is not necessary, because if it is more thick, then it will produce more energy, and if the skin is thin and you are giving more energy, then it will have deleterious effect on your patient's skin. So your thickness depends on the result you want to achieve. If the skin is thin, then apply very thin layer. If you want to manage the depressed scars, then over there you should apply thick layer, and you should see to it that your scars are all covered with your carbon paste. Okay, whichever area you want to target, that area, now you will see that all the areas are targeted well with the carbon paste. Okay, see all the scars are covered. At the same time there were few whiteheads, blackheads on nose, that is covered, and on opposite side of the cheek all the scars are covered with thick paste. Now showing the laser, this particular machine we have skin rejuvenation attachment, and then diode hair removal attachment, and pico shear. So we will be using pico shear attachment. Okay, 755, 1064 and 532. In this machine, skin rejuvenation laser, then hair removal laser, diode triple pulse, and pico shear. Here we want to take the advantage of pico shear laser. In pico shear you will get three attachments, 1064, 755 and 532. Okay, we will be using 755 for carbon laser face treatment. 755 is ideal. Okay, now energy I will reduce it, I can increase it anytime later on as it is deemed necessary. So I will keep it on plus 650, and frequency hertz I will keep it on 7. Okay, then once I am ready and patient is ready, then I put the start button, and then this attachment is 755. 755 always comes with a elongated head. Okay, now you must be wondering why I am not wearing goggles. Okay, because everybody says you use goggle. See, now the goggle will make all my field very dark, and already I applied carbon paste. So on that, if I apply goggle, then I will not see anything what I am doing. Okay, So I have given adequate protection. In fact, this is double protection to patient. Okay. And if I am doing the laser with care, then even if I don't put on the goggle, no, it will do. Now I will start and I will see to it that there are no any gaps left. So first I will do and then I will explain you the technique. Okay. So, okay. I will go 1 square inch and then again perpendicular. Okay. So I will be covering 1 square inch area at each time. I will not go right from lips to chin or lips to forehead at one go. Go step by step. You will see the energy being taken by the skin scars and the carbon which you have applied is vaporizing. What is the principle of carbon laser facial? The carbon which you have applied, no, it takes up the energy of the laser, and whatever crevices of the depressed scars are there, those scars will get that energy and it will, the scars will come up. It will come level because there is collagen rejuvenation effect. Okay, this effect is inside your skin, inside the dermal layer. So without any kind of injection and without any kind of needling, I can get the desired effect of those scars. I want those repressed scars to go. So they will, it is like doing resurfacing from inside. Even though I am giving treatment outside, the collagen in the depressed scar is getting heated up due to carbon taking the laser energy. Okay. All the area should be covered, and whichever area is remaining, that I can tackle in the end. You can see that smoke is the carbon which is getting burned out. I always teach my students in such a way that your life should be easy. At the same time, patient's life also should be easy. It should be comfortable to patient. Okay. Now we have to take one precaution that every few minutes you have to clean your laser head. See, this is the carbon particles which come on the laser head. So every 1 minute you clean your laser head, the lens of 755. Okay. Now I will come to the opposite side and same procedure I will be repeating on the opposite side. Again 1 inch horizontal, 1 inch vertical. So perpendicular we can say, so that all the areas are covered smoothly. I will show you, if you don't do like this, then what will happen. Okay, see, now I am doing it like this very fast. So in between you see there is a moth-eaten appearance. So it should not be like that. And that's why we are going 1 inch by 1 inch. Sometimes 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. It is better to go slow and steady than to finish the case very fast. Okay. Okay. Yes. So now you know how it should go. Okay. Each area, small bit by bit. Okay. Yes. So again, now I will clean it. Okay, head. Yes. Now we are going to come to critical area. So in this particular critical area, I will be more careful. Hmm? So I am explaining you all the details and the intricacies, all the secrets of urban laser face treatment without hiding any fact from you. That in which area you should be more careful and what precautions you have to take, which attachment you are supposed to use, how you should use, everything you must know. Then I will take whichever area is there remaining. Okay, so there I will again touch it. I will again clean it in between. Now I will do the nose and forehead. While doing nose area, you should be more careful because nose is pyramidal in shape. So you have to change the direction of your handle also. You cannot just move your handle like this. Okay, you have to move it according to the shape and surface of the nose. Okay, in cheek it is okay, but when you are doing it nose, that time you have to move your handle very carefully. Now I will do the forehead area. Again, centimeter by centimeter or inch by inch, vertical and then horizontal. And both the strokes direction should be perpendicular to each other. You will find many people on YouTube and Instagram, they are doing thermal laser facial and showing it is more about glamorization, okay, or you can call it self glorification. But when you do it in a scientific manner, only that time you get your result. If you don't use science, then you will not get the result. It is the science which is going to give you the result, and it is the science which is going to make your patient happy. However big doctor or famous doctor you may be, but if you forget science, then you will never get the results. There are many students, many doctors, they told me they were taught laser in a 5-star hotel lobby area, wherein there were more than 500 doctors who had come to learn, and they were given German certificate or Australian or Malaysian certificate. But when it comes to practice, how to do the procedure, they don't know anything. they are not confident. Okay, so that thing should not happen. What precautions to take, what are the pitfalls, everything you will learn with all hands-on activities. Now there are few areas remaining, so that thing I will touch, and that should be the last pass. Okay, now again I said critical area. Okay, now if you see, these are the few carbon particles. Now these are the deeper scars. Okay, see doctor, these are the deeper scars. Okay, in spite of doing 2-3 passes, you can still see the carbon. That means these are the one where there are pitted scars. Okay, so what I will do, I will increase bit intensity. Okay, and then I will do the laser so that the deeper scar get adequate energy. See now those carbon particles, they have gone. Okay, that means they have received the energy. Otherwise, just by you may become happy that yes, you have completed all the strokes, and few scars will remain. So that will not give you the result. Okay, if you see here, then again there are few dots. See these dots of the carbon. Okay, these are the one which bother the patient. Okay, and unless and until you treat that, you will not get the results. So over here, to manage those spots, I have given increase the intensity, more joules. Yes. Okay. So now you have understood what precautions to take. Okay. And if you want better results with your carbon laser phase treatment, then how to do it and what you should do at what time. Okay. So now I will stop my laser. Now I will keep it, and don't forget to clean the laser tip at the end of carbon laser procedure. Okay, I will switch it off, and now I am going to clean it and then apply some protection cream. Okay. So friend, how was your experience? I am 100% sure this particular live demo must have given you more scientific information on how to do carbon phase peel treatment and when to do. Now I am going to tell you only two main points at the end of this live demo. Number one is, before you finish and before patient comes out from the laser room, apply sun protection cream to your patient, because I am practicing in Mumbai and surrounding city, so here I am using SPF 30. Okay, so apply SPF 30, minimum SPF 30 should be applied on patient's face before patient leaves your room. Second thing is, give 1 glass of water to your patient, because maintaining hydration is very important after doing laser phase treatment. And in home, the third main point is, in home at night patient must apply good moisturizer. Okay, so when you follow these three precautions at the end of your procedures of laser phase peel, then you will get consistent results and faster results, and your results out of carbon face fill treatment will last longer. So by now you must have subscribed and press the bell icon of our channel. Do let me know any other topics like chemical peel or any other specific procedures like hydrofacial, and I will conduct live demo for you. Okay my friends, bye. See you in our next venture.